Welcome to full session. Today is our first lecture of our second advanced course named Statistical Data Analysis by using the Python. We will discuss Python from lecture number 1 from 0 to advanced level. We will discuss each and everything. What is Python? How to install Python? And how to install Anaconda? What is the difference between Python and Anaconda? And how we can do statistical data analysis by using the Anaconda. So guys, each and everything is going to be advanced. So before I start our lecture, must time again a full session. And if you have not watched my previous lecture on data analysis by using Ask, please must watch that lecture. We had almost nine lecture has uploaded on my YouTube channel, and almost 3 to 4 lectures are remaining. And so today we are going to start our course named Python. If you want to master this course, must subscribe my channel. If you want to learn freelancing, my private and upload course already uploaded also Facebook and Google Ads. So let's start guys. So first of all, we will see actually what is Python. So first of all, we will see actually what is Python. So basically, Python is a software that is used in different fields. Like also it is mostly used in natural sciences, while Python mostly used in business administration and finance, accounting, and other fields. Also, Python is used for web development and also app development and IT sectors. But today, actually we are going to discuss the role of Python in statistical data analysis. So this is short intro of the Python. Second question is that how to install Python, and second, how to how to install Anaconda. So these both are tools that are used for data analysis. So what is the difference between Python and Anaconda? Guys, as there was a difference between R and R studio, same thing will apply here between Python and Anaconda. Like Python basically is a car with engine, while Anaconda is just a body of the car, which has no engine. So basically Anaconda will provide support to the Python. Basically, you do analysis by using the Python, but Anaconda will just provide a score like frame of the car as provide support to the engine. So same here, Anaconda just is a score. So how will we install this? First of all, we will open our Google Chrome. Both of you are free. First of all, we will search Python dot Python.org. Same like here. We will click here, and after that, you will click on welcome to Python.org over here to download. So first of all, I will click here to welcome to Python.org. Here you can see option of download. Simply you will click here, and from here you will download latest version of Python 3.13.5. It is latest version of the Python. Here you can easily download the Python. So here is guys how you can download the Python. So our second software was Anaconda. How we will install it? So simply very easy. So what you will do, simply type here Anaconda Navigator. What you will type Anaconda Navigator, and here you go. First option you will click here, and after here you will see this option download now. So you will click here to the download now. It will ask your Gmail. You will provide Gmail address, and it will send download link to your Gmail. There will be two options. You have to start Anaconda distribution, not other, only distribution. So that it is how you can install the Anaconda Navigator. So for analysis, mostly you will use Anaconda Navigator because Python by default is installed in it. So you will search on your screen Anaconda Navigator. I have already searched. Below you can see Python, and I show you Python screen. Here you can see Python screen. It is Python screen. So guys, now I show you Anaconda Navigator. Here you will click on Anaconda Navigator. So Anaconda Navigator will open on your screen. It will take almost 2 minutes. So guys, after completion of this Python course and R course, you will be able to perform any analysis of the word on your data set for your research. Even after mastering these four tools, you will be able to perform the as work as a freelancer to provide the statistic data analysis service to the freelance platform like LinkedIn, Facebook, Fiverr, Upwork, or Guru.com and other websites as a statistical data analyst. After completion of these two courses, we will start our next course, SSS and the WE. Both are the basically now we are covering quantitative data analysis. Even we can perform thematic analysis, that is qualitative analysis on our view. But majorly we perform qualitative analysis on and we will also learn that how we can do coding on the NLU. So I have teach you R in detail. Now I'm teaching you Python. After that, we will discuss SQL. I will also teach you basic of the stat like scripting statistics, variables, hypotheses, and mean, mode, median, edge, and everything. So guys, my Anaconda Navigator is opening. So let's open it. Then we will start how. So over now, our second topic that we are going to discuss is how to create working directories directory on studio. Guys, as we did in working directories on Python, same we can also create working directory, working directory in a folder to save a different file. We can create same working directories on Python and we create it on the RStudio. So these working directories are important to form the analysis and we install different working and directories on the R Studio. So same we will install working directories on the Python. So guys, actually, Anaconda Navigator takes some time installation. That's why it is taking some time. So as it is installing, let's discuss with the remaining topics of the RStudio. Basically, on our next lecture, we will discuss about the descriptive statics on the RStudio, and we will discuss about the details ANOVA, one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA on the RStudio, and we have already discussed correlation analysis. We have already discussed heat map, point plot, and other bar graph, etc. How we can create on RStudio. So on our next session, we are going to discuss what are the statistics on the RStudio, details, ANOVA, one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA. Also, we will create a word map by using the studio guide. So these two lectures will be very, very important. This is an instance of Anaconda navigation already running. Okay. Anaconda basically is starting and then we pull up the Python state. It is like downloading application. So guys, if you want to master these courses, must subscribe my channel. I will also try to arrange a complete brief workshop on research writing. So guys, it is open. So this is the interface of the Anaconda Navigator. So basically it has different functions in it. Different here you can see Anaconda toolbox, Anaconda cloud notebook. Basically we will use the Jupyter Notebook. So first of all, you have to launch it or just click on it and it will be launched. You have to only click it, it will be launched. Basically for analysis on Python or Anaconda Navigator, we will use the Jupyter Notebook for all the analysis. So simply you will click on the launch button and the Jupyter Notebook will be open. So it will take almost 1 to 2 minutes. So guys, second thing is that you should have strong internet to start the Anaconda Navigator especially because it has 900 plus MB size. So it will might take almost 3 to 4 hours in installation if your internet speed is slow. So when you install Anaconda Navigator, so your internet speed must be well or good. So let's open Jupyter Notebook. After that, we will learn how we can create what are the basically working directories. And in our desktop, we have different folders to save the files. Same on the software like R and Python, we have working directives that work like the folders. So here over screen is opening Jupyter Notebook. As this key will open, we will create the working directory and also we will save our Excel file or dataset file in our working directory. So it is open. So then you have to close this key, close it, and here you will see all the desktop option. So yes, actually Jupyter Notebook takes some time in opening. So let's have patience. Uh, because in to create working that it will just take 1 to 2 minutes. Just close it. And here you can see option desktop. Here you can see option desktop. You have to click it. When you will click it, you can see all your files of your desktop over all the folder you will see on the repeater notebook. All the files you have saved on your laptop, you can also see on the repeater notebook. So here I have opened desktop option. Here you can see desktop. I can again close it. I have already opened desktop option. Right. Now you have to come this option new. You will click here and click on new folder. You will click here and give it name Python 1. So I am creating basically a folder. I have created a folder named Python 1. Simply. Hey guys, I have created a folder named Python 1. Click here. You will see like that. Python desktop Python 1. So it is basically Python 1 folder. Then you will come to the new, click here and click on the Python pandas ANV dot base. You have to click it. After when you will click it, now you can rename. Now you can rename it. Now you can give any name to this. So basically, I am creating a folder so that I may save my dataset file before working on Python to this folder. This folder is a must. So proceed over data. Basically, to perform an asset, you must save your dataset in here. Here it is created. So it is untitled. You will click here and you can give it name Python 1 2 and read. Yes, it is saved live. So now if I close my screen, I can see that on my desktop, Python 1, this folder has created. So as the dataset you will work on, like I have here dataset cycles, I will open that dataset name cycles. I will open here in download. I have dataset file in cycles. I will perform all analysis on that file. Here I will copy this and simply I will paste it on Python folder 1. Python 1, I will paste it. And you can see that my dataset will be saved in this folder. I will close it and again come to the this folder. Now I show you that my save as. So you can see that in my folder this file has saved. So this file has saved on my folder. I will come to desktop, click here, Python 1. I will click here. You can see that guys, Python file has saved on my desktop screen. So that is how that was all about guys. How we can, what is Python, how to install Python, install Anaconda, how to create working directory on Python. So this was all about that. And tomorrow our lecture will be how 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 to import dataset on Python. How we can import dataset on Python. How to, as we learned, we have different packages to install the dataset on our studios, import dataset on our studios. Same, we have different packages to import dataset on Python, and that package or function that will be used to import dataset in the form of Excel to Python will be called pandas. So this is the package that will be used to import a data set from the Python. So that was all about guys our introduction lecture. So tomorrow we will learn how to import data set on the Python. Thank you so much guys. So must subscribe my channel guys if you want to learn these courses in detail. and thanks